everyone, let's make some matcha. So ito yung gagamitin kong matcha powder. This is from Little Retail PH sa TikTok shop. Gagamitin ko yung gift sa akin ni Andrea na matcha set. This one, and this one. Let's make some matcha. Natry ko na to last time, so this is my second time balik. Pero ito yung pinaka-proper siguro na magagawa ko. Kasi last time, ang scoop ko is 1.5. So this time, I'll try 2.5. Kasi parang gusto ko medyo matapang yung matcha ko. Look! OMG guys, nawala yung mic ko. So here, naglalagay na lang din ako ng ice. I'm gonna use Arla ngayon, pero next time, sana outside naman since lagi siyang sold out. So now, I'm gonna pour the matcha. So guys, this is the final look. Final look? Pahaluin ko na yung matcha, tapos makikita nyo dyan, tinututo ko pa yung mic kasi akala ko nagana siya, oh my god. Taste reveal. So, makikita nyo naman sa mukha ko, nasarapan ako. And, sana next time outside naman talaga yung magamit ko. That's all guys. Bye!